Thank you. My friend Roy didn't make it. Specifically, what we want to introduce here, when you say open health data lake, we just want to introduce maybe or core for contributors to this core. Next slide. Oh, okay, thank you. Yeah, so in our space, next slide again, sorry. In our space, we have digital health fields, and then we have also, there's another space called data warehousing. So I don't know how many people here have experience with data warehousing, but good, thanks, Jibril. What we've noted is that a lot of us focus on, the collection of and sharing of health-related data. The main purpose is really to improve patient care, and also we focus on data privacy, collecting data, and so on. And then we literally leverage our OpenMRS and our HIEs, telehealth, and so on. But there is another world which a bunch of engineers which are focusing of data warehousing, collecting multiple structured and unstructured data at a central place, doing pipelines, focusing on the business intelligence, reporting or data mining and so on, and then managing data integration, standardization. The tools are more of OLAP, ETL, and so on. In this space, what we've noted is that when we are in health, we are having digital health practitioners trying out data warehousing. So Open Health Data Lake would want to get this community to interact with the digital health to achieve our goal. So next slide. If you have your QR codes, if you can scan, we are trying to bring in an open source data lake. So far, most of the data lake products are proprietary, crowd-based, and so on. So if you can click the link, and then you click the link for me, if you have scanned, you'll be operating because it's a big diagram, so you'll be zooming and so on. So what we're trying to do as it's loading, yeah, just log in with your Gmail. Who have scanned the QR code? Yeah, you can just log in with. Yeah, you can just log in with your Gmail or Microsoft or Slack, and then you can preview that. So what we're trying to do is bring in the standardization of data warehousing data lakes into digital health, where we can collect structured and unstructured data at a central level. So far, we might all know that we have our lovely shared health record, which is literally structured. And then we're actually using that to visualize. But within health, there are other data sources, DICOM, other social data, other unstructured data. How can we, inference those to actually make that decision which we want to make for patient care or quality of care? I'll still wait. You still give me a leverage time of loading. Yeah, you tell me when it loads. I think it's pretty good visible. I did not know that it would be this visible, so that's okay. So if you have your data sources as the open or OHDL, there are multiple data sources. You'd have your OpenMRS, DHIS, lab systems, the vital statistics, other big data coming from the facility, DICOM, and then, yeah, there should be a leverage time for loading. So that data will be transferred through the standard HIE into the staging place, and then there are multiple data sources which will be now transformed into different states within the FIRE standards for structured data, and using other open source tools like Pentahor for ETL, and also some fuzzy machine or machine learning, uh, and then computer vision and so on. But the most important thing, we are incorporating standards like if you have the IDS, which is the intermediate data store, we're using OMOP and FIRE, which are standards for analytical space, which we can use them, and also leveraging on, imaging, imaging technology to also incorporate that data, and then having open source tools like Atlas and others to enhance this. If you go to the next slide, as of now, there are two institutions which we are contributing to this, and we are looking for more contributions. This would be an out-of-the-box where every country would just download, set up at a national level, and you have your comprehensive data lake. Thank you.